Hey there everyone, welcome back to Trading Flow YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna to predict and analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow's market, 23rd June. And along with this, we are also gonna to see one stock for the intraday, and we have a very interesting positional and long-term pick also. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you are watching this channel for the first time, and if you are seeing this name for the first time, so please do press the red color subscribe button and bell icon next to it in order to get the notification as we upload the prediction and trading related videos. In yesterday's video itself, we have discussed that Nifty entered into the supply zone, and we are bearish on the both the indices, and nowhere we are going to be on a buy side. So as you can see, after this we got a gap down, and thereafter you can see it given a sell off. What's going to be tomorrow's market? Okay, tomorrow's market even, let me show you. You can see we are getting a trend line rejection from the top. This is the trend line, and you can see even today's market is somewhat like we got the fall and we got the consolidation, some pullback, and overall it ended up in the bearish candle. And if we take this low, this recent low, and swing high, yesterday's swing high, we are getting 0 0.6 golden ratio here. You can see 0 0.6 golden ratio here, and market supported this. And even in the yesterday's video we have discussed that this previous resistance can act as a support. Now as we discussed yesterday, it taken support two times. Even market closed at the golden ratio 0 0.6. So what should be our plan of action for tomorrow? It's very simple. Like, see, this gonna to be our key support, not the key support, but it's gonna to be a support. So above this, if it goes directly, if it open gap up and breaks this trend line, so you can do a you can get a trade up to this recent swing high. You can consider target up to this recent swing high. Before that, even we may get some resistance from this level even, so you can consider this as your target one, and this can be your target two. But moreover, I personally suggest you people to search for only selling side setups rather than going for buying. We may get both side moments, but if you closely observe, you can see this is impulse correction, impulse and correction. You see the impulse moves are longer compared to this correction or retracement. So obviously I myself prefer, until and unless 50 is below 15,820, you can consider and prefer importance to the selling setups. And coming to tomorrow setups, this going to be my one setup, but it's I consider as low probability. But high probability setup will be if it breaks this range, then obviously you can keep target up to this level gonna to be your first target. Very simple reason. You can see, if you have seen this multiple times, it have taken the support here. So this 15,261 gonna to be your target. As of now we are with bearish bias, so this going to be my setup for tomorrow's Nifty. Now let's move to Bank Nifty. Even in the Bank Nifty, we have given this levels in the yesterday's video also. As I said, this bias, whenever I am showing in 1 hour, see, we are going to differentiate using bias, what is bias as well as what is our view. See, bias is something we are going to take the view. So obviously we are on selling side, our bias is on selling. This, we particularly in both the indexes, we are on bearish side. So this is how our supply zone is working. Even in Nifty or Bank Nifty, we search for the sell signals, and we give more importance to the sell signals. And here is also the same approach. See, similar type of setups, same as Nifty, we are getting in Bank Nifty. I have taken this low and yesterday's high, and you can see here, once I have taken low and high, I drawn a Fibonacci. I have dragged a Fibonacci from this low to this high, and you have seen at the golden ratio of Fibonacci 0 0.6, it taken support three times today. Even we got the closing at this golden ratio. So let me remove this. And what gonna to be my view? My view is very simple. Like if tomorrow is this level breaks, then obviously this gonna to be my important level. The same reason which I explained, you can see multiple times it have taken the support, or else you can also wait for this level as well. But if you are a safe trader, I recommend you to go up to this level. You can get a good scalping trade. And on the top side, in the buying side, I don't prefer to go for buying side, because as you see, even this gets proper breakout, then 33,200 gonna to act as again it gonna act as your resistance, because it's a gap area, the same situation what I explained. And if even if you and if even if you see this, it is going to be a structural resistance even. So moreover, I don't prefer you to be go long in this. Yes we get volatile moves in both directions, in the upside as well as downside, but I highly prefer you to go for downside moves. So this is going to be my setup in the bank nifty for tomorrow. So now coming to stock Tata Motors. Even in the stock, I have taken this swing high and swing low, recent swing high and recent swing low. You can see 0.5. 0.5 even you see as a structural. If and we draw this, it's a structural resistance even. So tomorrow if we get, yes, you can see this proper trend line is respecting and it is acting as a resistance now. And tomorrow, if we get any breakout for this, then obviously this going to be our target. And if it open gap up and opens above this 0.5 level, then you can take entry by taking any pullback in this, and 0.6 going to be your target. And if it breaks down, then this gap area going to be your target. This can be your target, or else you can also go for this swing. So this will be your target. So now coming to Tech Mahindra, if you see, it's continuously getting support from this level. And you can also see we have a structural support here. Once this level breaks, then obviously you can keep a target of recent swing low, that is 968, and you can keep your stop loss above this particular support zone, and you can place a trade for the short here. I'm not interested to go long in Tech Mahindra if it respect this level and if it moves upside. So avoid this trade. Only focus on the downside, because we are getting very good head and shoulder patterns. And if it breaks, then we can get target up to 968 easily. Now, very interesting analysis on BHEL. If in weekly time frame, we have drawn a Fibonacci from recent swing low to recent swing high, exactly at in the Fibonacci golden ratio. It's taking the support, and if you just scroll down, you can see it is a structural resistance even. Before it's acted as a resistance, and now it is acting as a support now. So it can act as support. According to our view, it should respect this level and it should move to the upside. So if you are looking for a long term pick or like positional pick, going to be a very good pick. You can invest at 442 to 43 in between, and you can hold for the target of at least 0.3 level, that is up to 58 rupees. And further targets, or if we find any supply zones, we will update through the video or in our Telegram channel. So coming to our Telegram channel, you can just open your Telegram app, and if you search Trading Floor Official, you will get this Telegram channel with the 4,899 subscribers. And you can see here, we have given this provided this calls to in the today's for our premium members. And you can see this is our premium channel, where we have also given our BTST trade, because somewhere we are expecting on downside some gap down opening tomorrow. So this is our view, and you can see we have shared our positional trade ideas, and we used to also provide some educational videos. And we provide accurate calls in this premium channel. So coming to, we are present, we have three different channels. One is the general channel, and one more we have academy, that where we share educational content. You can see lot of chats we share here, like a bank nifty in the live. You can see, let me show you the example here. We are getting two patterns in it. One is the head and shoulder, and another one is it's a triangle pattern, and we got the breakout, and thereafter you can see this we have cashed very good move. So like this educational content chart patterns, you can see even here BHEL we have provided it in the very, we give first priority to these guys who are very serious in learning. They can join Trading Floor Academy, where we share lot of educational content, and the other one is Trading Floor, where we share some profitable calls and our views and our ideas in this. And if you want to also give a try to our calls, then you can simply join our Trading Floor. And this is our premium channel. You can see in the premium channel we provide the calls. And this is for this video, and see you in the next video guys. Until then, we are signing off. Jai Hind.
Fearless.